And if you like squirted, watch the Ghost Train crew getting gunged.
Oh, you saw them, did you? Never mind, because cheats never win. And you're going to win, aren't you, Claire?
I'm not going to be on her side, because we get back to London
in here.
Well, Claire and I are old mates, and so I thought I'd help her.
That's good, because they're cheating, so we're going to cheat too.
Yeah, you've got no chance of winning. This child has obviously got the intelligence of a large-lipped gecko, and also you're up against the magnificent might of my Mafiette, Mark! And Mark! And Mervyn! And who's that?
It's a Mafiette I found wandering around outside, Barry. It's me, Barry.
Hold on, you're on our side,
yes,
right?
no, I'm sorry. I'm trying to get them. I'm sorry.
Okay, Claire. Come on, Claire.
Right.
Come on, Claire.
We've got Goody on our side
Right,
now.
we're really getting it together, okay? So,
right, get every question right, okay?
No problem. We're very intelligent.
You ready, Claire? First question, right? Come here, come closer. I'm on your side. I won't bite you. Oh, gosh, they're ugly. Ready? Number one. How much...
Yeah.
I think Barry's been at these questions. Right. How much air do we breathe in an average lifetime?
How much air?
How much air? What's the nearest cubic meter? The answer was... Don't you know what the answer was, Frank?
Yeah.
367,900 cubic meters.
I was going to say that.
Stop. Right.
Oh, no.
Question number 2. Come here, Claire. Oh, Claire's getting lost in it. Number 2. How many people can be fed by an ostrich egg omelette? Claire, it's down my back. No, not down my back.
Come on, Claire, answer. How many people?
How many people? Close, but not. Oh, let's go now. 500 is close to 12, which is the answer. Right, third question.
No, let's calm down and let us think about it.
Third question. Now you guys control yourselves. Which creature has eyes almost twice as large as footballs? Big eyes.
A big tarantula.
Yes, The answer was a giant Atlantic squid.
Quiet, your master.
All right. my question. Very simple. What is the name of my pet tarantula? Is it A, Fluff, B, Columbo, or C, Hairy Seacombe?
Okay, Claire. Wait. Think carefully.
Yeah,
What would
right.
it be?
Hairy Seacombe!
No, it's Fluff!
Wait. How many Lafayette's does she meet next round?
I think she actually meets 4 Lafayette in the next round.
Five? It's 5?
5?
Yeah!
5.
Too much for me.
Doesn't matter. 10! Yeah!
All right, she meets 5 Lafayette in the next round of Skull.
Oh, Mummy!
Okay, right. Now, Barry, we've decided let's shake hands and make up enough of this stupidity.
Yeah, no, I think we should just calm down and say...
Seeing as it's the last show.
Yeah.
You sure about this guy?
No,
But that's a very nice
Come on, Barry.